Yeah, we're about to start glowing the bike again. This time we'll do it properly. Alrighty, sitting on the bench that you're right next to, you'll see some remotes.
Yep.
Pick one and try it.
Can I leave them in the package?
Oh, don't leave. No, that's brand new. That one doesn't have a battery in it. Just twist that. The remote's,
You know what I think? It'd look better if you let me get it over there up on the stand where it's level.
Well,
What do you think?
I'm just making sure it's working.
Yeah.
Reds, greens, blues. It's for white. Oops. Red pulse. I guess it doesn't pulse good.
What is that? That's
It's the third button down on the right. Is this
that's
one.
fade. Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Yeah, that's pretty.
This is the bottom button. My friends have been saying that I'm making it up.
Right.
They said, you did not glow no fucking bike. You didn't do nothing. You're just talking shit. And I said, well, okay.
Yeah, we'll have to see now.
I'll show you. And you said you blackened some?
I'm gonna get it over there on the stand. Get the seat on it.
Okay.
Polish it up. Tweak it.
I'll bring the camera and we'll record
and-
some more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe this evening.
Sure.
Or
After it's dark.
yeah. That'd be great.
Well, she's big on orange right now, so I had to
Really?
put one. I had to see it on orange just so I have a recording of it. UT.
Yeah. Well, see. Yeah. Once they get it up on the stand, you can go to both sides and
Yeah, we'll do that.
it'll even be a better shot. Shit, that looks good, man.
Hit off.
You might want to get the cover on there before you
Well, okay. Let me go get the cover.
garage and put that over there. You want a beer, Alan?
Oh yes, very
Have a
much.
shot.
Okay.
Let me get this chrome shined up a little bit on this side. I got the other side done.
I've been wanting to shoot this video for a long time. All my friends say I'm making it up. Everybody says you did not glow a bike, and I'm saying yes, I did. I just don't have video to show you.
Well, it says it's a white ale, and you serve it over orange slice. Slice a slice of orange and put it in a mug and pour it Blue Moon.
Make her pretty.
Make her pretty, yeah.
But yes, please.
You got the remote?
Didn't I give you the remote?
Yep. I say you want
Oh, okay.
me to do something different with it?
Yeah, whatever you want to light up it.
Let's go with
You know how to speed it up and slow it down, right?
I'm not sure which one does what.
The top two left
Yeah.
buttons, they're for brightness, but when you're in one of these modes, they control the speed.
I think I'm slowing it down, and now I think I'm speeding it up.
Yes, you are. Oh, that looks awesome.
It does.
Have a sit on it. Most excellent. Bad acid.
What do you think, Felicia? Pretty, isn't it?